Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the one of the very short answer in the chapter of waves intermediate second year. That is, what are the parameters used to describe the progressive wave? What are the parameters we are going to use to represent the progressive wave? The first thing is, what is progressive wave? The wave which is generated from the source, that is moving in only forward direction, and that should be never come back to the source. That type of wave is called progressive wave, and progressive waves are two types: longitudinal wave and transverse waves. Dear students, for that question the perfect answer is, the progressive wave is given by the equation y is equals to a sine of omega t minus kx. Here y is equals to a sine of omega t minus kx is the progressive wave equation, and the displacement of the wave must be here in the positive x-axis direction. Then we can take minus. If it is along the negative x-axis direction, then we will take plus there. And here omega is nothing but here angular frequency, that is given by the formula 2 pi nu, and it is also known as 2 pi by t, and k is the wave number of proportionality constant 2 pi by lambda. Now parameters. The parameters are amplitude, wavelength, angular frequency, and wavelength, time period. So amplitude, wavelength, time period, frequency, angular frequency, these are the parameters of a progressive wave equation. For 2 marks children, what you are finding on the board, that's enough to get the 2 marks in your public examination.